Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Crystal here coming at you with another video. And today's topic, I'm going to be talking about Offerup app, how to sell on Offerup and Offerup shipping. I'm going to actually demonstrate how I ship a particular product that I receive an offer on today. I'm going to ship out tomorrow for my customer, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to package this item on Offerup. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is search for Offerup, which is right here. And to be honest with you, like I had Offerup like years ago, and I sold a lot more things on there than I do now. I created this back in 2018. I came back to Offerup actually. We're going to go to accounts. I'm going to blur several things out because they're personal information. I don't want, the whole world to know certain things. So I sell more on Mercari. If you haven't seen the Mercari video, make sure you check that out. I submitted that a couple days ago on YouTube and like eBay, different platforms like that. So if this is something like you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. So as you can see right here, as I tap on the screen, view items, saved items, you can view that. Actually, I'm sorry, let me start over. Up top, right here where you see like the camera, that's a profile picture added. That's actually my logo. You can add your phone number. You can add your email. You can add Facebook. You can connect it to the app. View saved items, search alerts, payments, and receipts. You can actually customize your profile link. Community forums, they have a help section, and view public profile. Also, on the bottom next to the count, going to the left, you can see the offers. I'm not gonna click on that because then you'll see everything I'm selling. Then you could go to post, which I'm going to post something so you can see how it works, and you can see the messages from like the customers or people who have questions. So we're gonna go to post, select the photo. We're gonna select a few of these images. Let's see how many images you could add on. I don't even remember, but ooh, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm guessing like 9. You can add 9. Let me see. You can add more than 9 images. I didn't even think about that. You can add more than 9 images on Offerup, which is awesome. Compare, and you can add up to, you can add up 3 more, so 12 images total. What are we gonna name these? We're gonna, for purposes of this video, I'm not gonna actually name exactly how I would name it, but it tells you want to name like the brand, whatever the style, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna keep basic. Red heels shoes. This is for the video. It's gonna be deleted, so whatever. Condition is used, so it goes all the way up to never used, reconditioned, certified, open box, never used, used normal wear, 4 parts, other, see description. So we're gonna go to use. Description, I already have something saved, so I'm gonna put that. Let's see, 2 to 3 inches. Yeah. Okay, so I know JCPenney sells these brand new for like $60-something. This is like not that used, so I'm gonna say like 45. Okay, maybe 40, because Mercari actually charges for shipping. You could add firm price, say if like that's the definite like price you want, you can add that, like check that box, but I don't do it. You could turn your location on too, so I'm gonna put Virginia, and I can sell Now it's going to be a low 9.9% service fee applies to shipping policy. So we're going to click next. You can share it on Facebook. I don't want to. And then you could post it. So while that's posting, taking longer than normal. Okay. Millions of buyers across the USA will see the item soon. So you can either post another one, share it. You could sell fast or faster by paying $19.99 a month for that. $3. I'm sorry, promote 3 days, $7.99. Promote 1 day, $2.99. Now, that's the con I don't like about Offerup is that you know, when you want to promote, it's a lot of money to promote compared to Mercari, where when you hit the promote button, it's free. So, it tells you, you know, how does this work? Okay, got it. I don't want to sell faster, so I'm gonna hit done. So as you can see up here, there's the red shoes. I'm blurring everything else out, so I don't want you to see it. So you can actually create your distance of how far you want to like look for things. Hit apply. So I have a Michael Kors that is in Rockville, Maryland. Okay, you can see the distance down here. You can make an offer. You can ask a question if you want to. You can even view people, other individuals, like their reviews from others. So what I like about this is that you can look for items that are near your area. You can just click on, and is that Alexandria? It's not that far from the area I put of Virginia. So you can just click on here and see what's close. You can have it shipped to you, or have, you know, the items. If a customer is looking for your item, they can have it shipped. Which I like about that. I like that too. But what I don't like is that, so this is in California, but what I don't like is like you really can't drop ship from Offerup, because you have to, like, if you're going to do shipping, and go from there. So unless other people is like bypassing that and still shipping the products out, or, you know, drop shipping or whatever, then that's a whole different story. But you have to have the item on hand. And yeah, that's really it. Let's get into how I'm going to package this particular item for my customer for tomorrow. Okay, so I had a customer that purchased the item from me. So I'm going to go to my messages. And I'm going to go to the top one, blur out all information that you see for my customer. Now it says ship by Friday, July 12th. And then once I ship it out tomorrow, I'm going to click on the ship button up there at the top. I'm not going to press it now. So the person offered me $10 for it, which is okay because I got a great deal on this one. I got 3 of these, which you'll see what it is, for, I believe it was 3 or 4 of these for like $5 or $5 or $6. So she offered $10 plus prepaid shipping, so she's paying the shipping price for that. You can click view offer. You can also click view label, and I can view the receipt for myself, not for the customer to print, you know, for to print out to them. You could create your own receipt and print it out for them, but this receipt would actually show you, you know, the situation. So if you wanted to meet with the person, you can type in whatever you want, you know, as far as meeting up with them. So let's show you how I package this particular item. This particular item is different for most who's probably going to be watching this, but I'm going to show you how I would do it. All right, so stay tuned. So for today's video, I'm going to actually be shipping out this teeth whiten for my customer. Okay, and 2 toothbrushes for her order from Offerup. And what you need is scissors, some tape, You need bubble mailers, okay? Well, a bubble mailer that has the bubble inside. In this particular video, I'm going to be actually using this. You can find these at, you know, Walmart, your local store, dollar store, Amazon. So this right here is a 6" by 9" bubble mailer. I basically want to give you a tip to put your Avery package shipping label on before you actually package your items inside. I have mine on there now. Because especially, for example, I was actually printing out the labels or label and it actually didn't format correctly, so I have like half on one side and half on the other. So yeah, you can use these before you actually put in the bubble mailer, or this. I'm actually going to use this one. I'm going to show you why. So we're going to put this to the side. For those who don't know, make sure you buy a postal scale. In this case, it's Offerup. I don't have to because they don't weigh it like eBay does or any other platforms that you may sell. So, but this will be a great investment for other platforms. Okay, you can also, to protect boxes like this, okay, because you know it's going to be squished up when they get shipped. You can use, like I showed in my Mercari video, you can use something like this, but I wouldn't recommend with this particular item because it's so big. So that's why I said I would use this one, but this is a great investment too. Another tip, so what I'm going to do, start putting this in. Okay, now another tip too I want to share with you. Say if you don't have any extra of these, you may receive an order from someone a while back or so that has these bubbles inside. I'm gonna just call them bubbles. You can rip this off actually. Okay, you can actually rip this better than I did, but you can rip it off and use this to wrap something like this, so you're not wasting your material. So that's a little hint. Also, for example, so I'm gonna put this in, right? Because I want it to be protected a little bit more. Now, I know I could have just used something that wrapped all the way around, but I'm just gonna use this for now. So normally you can use this in like, you know, jewelry. So I could just tape this up. So I can just tape this up. And by the way, the customer who actually bought the Mercari LED fan received it today, and she sent me a message, a review on Mercari, saying that her daughter and even herself loved the LED message fan. So that was awesome to get back new customers, and you know, and of course she said that my packing was excellent. So yeah, so you can actually do this or better. Another little hint or tip, depending on what you're selling. For example, if I wanted to, I could just take this box, right? And I could just wrap this like that to make sure it's protected, and just cut it, okay? And then I'll just stick it right inside. But I'm not gonna do that for this particular video. That's just a little tip. So what I can do is just slip it right into it on the side. See it? Okay. And I can just take this off. So before I actually seal this up, I'm actually going to take one of my items out. And I'm going to actually put my store label on there. So this is a great retarget for those who have a store or any type of business. So I'm gonna take this one up because I don't want to put it on here and mess it up. And I'm gonna actually stick it on there so they can actually go to my store. I'm not gonna show y'all, of course, but put everything back in there. So yeah, that's another hint. Retarget your customers so they could come back to you. Of course, you can't put your website and stuff on third-party apps like Mercari and Offerup because they don't require that, or they don't like that. But like Poshmark, you can do that. So I'm not going to show you the front because the label's on there. So this is how it looks. I'm going to actually take this up. So I'll make sure it's sealed. It's good to go. You can see it. Alright, so this is how I basically ship my products on Offerup and the other platform as well. Make sure it's secure, make sure the customer loves how it's packaged, and make sure it gets to the customer with a great rating. This is Krista coming at you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the Mercari video that's linked above this video so you can see how I package the LED message band. This is Krista coming at you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and also give a thumb up. Hit that notification bell as well. Take care. So at the post office, I'm going to drop off the package.